Hey guys, Utsav here with a new video on Python. In this video, we will be going through the introduction of Python. Starting with the definition. It is a general purpose and high level programming language which allows you to focus on core functionality of the application by taking care of common programming tasks. It was created back in 1991 by a programmer called Guido van Rossum. Difficulty level for Python is 1 out of 5 stars, which means it is a really easy language to start with and is really good for beginners. On the other hand, its popularity is 4.5 star out of 5, which means a large number of programmers in this world are using Python for their projects. Python is a programming language that lets you work more quickly and integrate your systems more effectively. On this date, we are using Python version 3.8.0. Now, let's talk about some applications of Python. Python is known for its general purpose nature that makes it applicable in almost each domain of software development. Python as a whole can be used in any sphere of development. Here, we are specifying some of the applications areas where Python can be applied, and those are desktop GUI, game development, Internet of Things, which is known as IoT, image processing, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data analytics, robotics, web scraping, web development, science and numeric applications, and 3D graphics. Those are several such applications which can be developed using Python. If you want a brief about any one of the above, please comment down in the comment section. I will surely make another video on it. Companies which are using Python are Google, Facebook, Intel, Amazon, Dell, Dropbox, Yahoo, NASA, IBM, Mozilla, Quora, Instagram and Reddit. Now, coming to the advantages of Python, it has a large number of extensive libraries, it improves productivity, more IoT opportunities, simple and easy language, it is readable, object oriented, free and open source. And the disadvantages of Python are it has speed limitations, it's really weak in mobile computing and browsers, it has many design restrictions and has an underdeveloped access layer. Python is said to be easy and simple language. If you don't trust me, then please look at the example here, where I have compared a simple program of writing hello world in different languages including Python, and you can clearly see the number of lines to be written for this program is least in Python as compared to other languages. Once you are into Python programming, then one of the main questions which will arrive in your mind will be, what is the salary of a Python programmer? How much does he earn? Well, according to the Indeed.com, the average salary of a Python developer is $1,18,201 per year in United States and about 4,92,402 rupees in India. Some of the top job locations for Python developers are New York City, Mountain View and San Francisco. So guys, this was it for this video. If you liked and learned something from this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with tutorial videos on different languages including Python and some informative videos like this. So stay tuned and thank you.